Okay, hey everyone, it's your girl Marie back with another webinar from Debutify. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Today's webinar is all about transparency in your e-commerce business. It's like this saying that honesty is the best policy, and that's totally true. We're going to be talking about why it's so important to be open and honest with your customers and how it can help you maintain customer loyalty and grow your business. We'll cover some awesome tips on how to create transparency with your customers, like being truthful and accurate, providing clear communication, and even offering product reviews and testimonials. Plus, we'll dive deep into how being transparent can improve your customer experience, encourage accountability, and increase your brand reputation. So grab your favorite snack, get comfortable, let's all have some fun while we learn about the benefits of being transparent. Oh, and don't forget to ask any questions that you may have in the chat, and I promise to make them as entertaining as possible. All right, let's go. So before anything else, let's talk about why you need to be transparent with your e-com business. First, it builds trust. Transparency helps in building trust with customers as they feel that they have all the information they need to make informed decisions about their purchases. So this trust will in turn increase customer loyalty to your business. Next, it improves customer experience. Being transparent with customers can lead to a better customer experience. When customers know what to expect from a company, they are less likely to feel disappointed or frustrated, which can lead to positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, and of course, increased sales. Also, it encourages accountability. When a company is transparent, it encourages accountability. So customers are more likely to trust companies that take responsibility for their mistakes and are open about their processes. And lastly, being transparent increases brand reputation. When customers feel that a company is honest and open, they are more likely to recommend it to others, which can help, of course, increase its customer base. So now we move on to the question of how do you actually create transparency with your customers? So here are 8 tips for you to do just that. Tip number 1, be truthful and accurate. Provide truthful, accurate information to customers about your products, services, costs, and fees. This will help to build trust and establish a positive reputation. So let's say you're selling a skincare product that claims to be all natural. It's important to disclose all the ingredients used in the product and any potential side effects to ensure customer safety and build trust. Ensure also that all communication with customers is clear and concise. So provide clear communication. Use simple language and avoid technical jargon that customers may not understand. Then use social media. Social media platforms can be a great way to communicate with customers and provide transparency. Use social media to share updates, respond to customer queries, and address any issues or concerns. Suppose you're an online clothing retailer. Use social media platforms to showcase new arrivals, styling tips, and customer reviews. Social media allows you to engage with customers in real time, build brand awareness, and foster a community. Next, offer product reviews and testimonials. Allow customers to leave product reviews on your website or social media pages. This will show that you are confident in your products and are willing to be transparent about their quality. If you're selling a new product line, encourage customers to leave product reviews and testimonials on your website. This will provide social proof and credibility to your brand, boosting customer trust and confidence in your products. By the way, if you need a tool to help you manage your reviews, try Debutify Reviews. Debutify Reviews simplifies requesting, collecting, and managing customer reviews so you can get more of them faster. Next, moving on, be open about business processes, including how products are made, where they come from, how they are shipped. This will help customers to feel more connected to your business and build trust. If you're a sustainable fashion brand, share information on your website about the materials you use, the ethical production process, and your carbon footprint. This transparency will appeal to conscious consumers who build sustainability, who want to value sustainability. Our sixth tip is to offer data protection. So be transparent about your data privacy policies and how you can handle customer data. Customers want to know that their data is being protected and used responsibly. So if you're collecting customer data, be transparent about how you're using it and who has access to it. Provide an easy-to-understand privacy policy on your website and allow customers to opt out of marketing communications. Next, provide accurate billing. Ensure that billing is accurate and transparent. So provide detailed invoices that show what customers are being charged for and be open about any additional fees or costs. Lastly, be responsive. Respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly and honestly. This will help you build trust and demonstrate that you are committed to providing excellent customer support. All right, friends, that's all for today's webinar. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot from the importance of transparency in your e-commerce business. Remember, if you're looking to improve your online store's performance, Debutify can help. Debutify is an all-in-one Shopify theme that's designed to help e-commerce businesses increase conversions and drive sales. With Debutify, you can create a beautiful, high-converting online store that your customers will love. And here's the best part. You can try Debutify for free for 14 days. Just head over to debutify.com to sign up and start exploring our theme. Plus, if you like today's webinar, be sure to check out our other webinars on our website. We cover a wide range of topics from SEO to email marketing to social media advertising. Lastly, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this webinar. If you enjoyed it, please give us a shout out on your social media and tag Debutify. We'd love to see your posts and connect with you guys. So thank you again for joining us today. My name is Marie, and we'll see you again on our next webinar. Ciao!